So now this is the second part. So it starts with the oven has to be switched off and cold. We have to start with a cold oven because you're going to measure the microwave heating temperature and not the actual toasting heat that's going to go to the water. So here are the instructions. So it's pretty simple. It says perform the test first thing in the morning before the oven has been turned on and is still cold. So we need to fill the high heat food pan, which we've done, with water. Measure and record the water temperature in the food pan using the probe of your approved thermometer. Place a container in the center of the oven cavity, which we'll do now. Okay, that's in there. So turn the oven on and tap the upper right corner of the screen and enter the password manager, and then tap the green check mark. Let's try that. Right, so close it, switch it on. Oh no. Just got to turn the oven on the wall here. Just try and tap the upper right corner. Don't know at what point it gives you this option. There we go. Hadn't turned it on. So now I need to enter the password manager and tap on the green check mark. So here we go. Okay, and then it says tap the down arrow, tap on the wrench picture and enter the password service. Okay, tap the down arrow and select microwave power test. Microwave power test. And there we go, you can hear it start up. Takes about 63 seconds, it says. When the countdown is finished, remove the pan from the oven, immediately stir with the thermometer probe and measure the water temperature. That's what we'll do next. Make sure you've got your thermometer to hand. Just pause this. Right, so we're back again. It did a quick beep to say it was finished. And I guess then take the pan out. We do a temperature check, which now is switched off. Switch it back on. Let's see what the temperature now is. It's not that hot, the pan. I'm pretty much touching it now. So it's looks to be 118.4 it was. The highest. 90.6. 119.4. Right, let's just pause it there. Right, so what you need to do now, you need to write was 118.4 and was 73.5, I think it was, and then you just calculate the difference there, and that's what we need to give to Subway. Once the test is complete, tap the red X. We've done that, and tap the lower left corner return reverse arrow 2 times. So we're done. We hit the red X, then we just got to go back, I guess, and back. Because it's just a cooling down process. So that's pretty much it. I'll just pause it there and then I'll show you how to do the software update. Right, so this is how to perform the software update. Basically you need a USB file, which I have already programmed. I've already loaded it onto the stick. It's just a single file, the stick's formatted. So we're basically going to turn the oven on again from the start. So if I switch it off, hopefully it'll let me switch it off. I'll just move this over here again so you can read it. Maybe if I just switch it off at the wall and we can switch it back on again. Give it a couple of seconds. Right, that's cool. Let's try it again. You've got to touch that corner again. Looks like it's forcing us through this process of cooling down.